Hello students, welcome to Eduauraa. Today we will be starting with previous year MCQs. So today we will be taking the topic sequence and series. So let's just start with this. Sum of 10 terms of the series 1 into 3 square plus 2 into 5 square plus 3 into 7 square plus ... is, I repeat the question again, the sum of 10 terms of the series 1 into 3 square plus 2 into 5 square plus 3 into 7 square plus ... is. So the options are A 15595, B 13000, C 13695 and D 13495. These are the options. So now I will write the series as 1 into 3 square plus 2 into 5 square plus 3 into 7 square plus ... Now forget about the series, just focus on the first terms of the series. So the first terms are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the first terms are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this is plus plus plus, so I can definitely take summation. So it will be summation of, it is simply 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The first terms are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of that I can write simply R. Instead of that what I can write? Simply R. And now focusing on the second terms, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and so on. So I can see there is a difference of 2. So instead I can write it as 2R. If there was a difference of 3, I would have written what? 3R. If there is a difference of 4, I would have written as 4R. But now the difference is what? 2. So I have written it 2R. Now if I substitute R equal to 1, it will be 2 into 1, will be 2. But I wanted the term as 3. So it will be 2R plus 1. See, now I put R equal to 1, it will be 2 plus 1, 3. If I put R equal to 2, it will be 4 plus 1, 5. So I am calculating the terms correctly. Moreover, there should be square. There should be what? Square. Because it is 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and so on. So I have written the terms as what? In terms of R, in terms of summation. Now, in the summation, there should be limits. Starting and ending limit should be there. So according to question, we have to calculate the sum of the 10 terms. So it should start with R equal to 1 and it should end at 10. So starting at R equal to 1 and ending at 10. If I want to calculate sum of n terms, I will be starting with R equal to 1 and ending at R equal to n. But here we have to only calculate the sum of first n terms. So starting from R equal to 1 to ending at R equal to 10. Now I know summation cannot go inside multiplication. So what I am going to do is, first I will open the square bracket. So summation R equal to 1 to 10, R as it is, 2R plus 1 the whole square can be written as 4R square plus 4R plus 1. 2R plus 1 the whole square can be written as 4R square plus 4R plus 1. Now substituting that the R part inside. So multiplying the R part inside, it will be summation of R equal to 1 to 10, R into 4R square will be 4R cube, R into 4R will be 4R square and R into 1 will be what? R. Now all the terms are in plus. If all the terms are in plus or minus, I can simply take summation inside. So taking summation inside, summation of 4R cube from R equal to 1 to 10 plus summation of 4R square from R equal to 1 to 10 plus summation of R from R equal to 1 to 10. Now 4 is constant, I can take 4 outside. Taking 4 outside, what is summation of R cube? Summation of R cube is n square into n plus 1 the whole square upon 4. But this formula is valid for n number of terms. We only want to calculate for 10 terms. So I will substitute instead of n as what? 10. So the formula will be 10 square into 10 plus 1, which is 11 square, the whole upon 4 plus 4 constant again outside. Summation of R square is what? n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 the whole upon 6. But here we do not want up to n number of terms. We only want up to 10 terms. So it will be 10 into 10 plus 1, which is 11, into 2 into 10 plus 1. So it will be 21. The whole upon 6 plus what is summation of r? N into n plus 1 upon 2. But we do not want up to n terms. So what I am going to do is 10 into 10 plus 1, which is 11 upon 2. Now have a look at it properly. If I see 4 will get cancelled, again 2 2s and 2 3s will get cancelled. Similarly 3 1s 3 7s will get cancelled, and again 2 1s and 2 5s will get cancelled. So accordingly, what is 10 square? 100. What is 11 square? 121. So the first term will be 12100. The first term will be 12100. The next term will be 2 into 10 will be 20 and 11 into 7 will be 77. Plus next term 5 into 11 will be what? 55. So 12100 as it is, plus if I do 20 into 77, the answer will be 1450. The answer will be what? 1450 plus what? 55. So 12100 plus 20 into 77 can be written as 1540. 20 into 77 can be written as 1540 plus 55 as it is. So if I add this term, the answer will be 13695, and the answer which is matching this is option number C, 13695. So what I have done in this sum is I have used the formula based on summation part. Based on what? Summation part. Understood? Moving further to the next question. The next question is, let the sum of first n terms of a non-constant AP A1, A2, A3, be 50n plus n into n minus 7 upon 2 into A, where A is constant. If D is the common difference of this AP, then the ordered pair D, A50 is equal to. This question came in JEE Mains 2019. So the option is A, 50 plus 46A. Option B is 50, 50 plus 45A. Option C is 50, 50 plus 46A. Option D is A, 50 plus 45A. So moving further with the solution part. So the given expression is Sn is equal to 50n plus n into n minus 7 the whole upon 2 into A. So this is your Sn part. Now I know the formula for Sn is what? N by 2. The formula for Sn is n by 2 the whole into 2A plus n minus 1D will be equal to 50n plus n into n minus 7 the whole upon 2 into A. So on comparing, I can see there is one n common from right hand side. So if I take n common, so n by 2 will be equal to 2A plus n minus 1D is equal to, if I take n common, moreover take 2 common also. So n by 2 will be equal to 100 plus n minus 7 the whole into A. So n by 2 will get cancelled. Now 2A plus nd minus d, 2A plus nd minus d will be equal to 100 plus n into A minus 7A, 100 plus n into A minus 7A. So I can see the constant terms which are 2A plus d as it is, plus nd as it is, and the right hand side, the constant term on the right hand side will be 100 minus 7A plus n into A. So 2A minus d, which is constant term, can be taken alone, plus nd is equal to 100 minus 7A plus na. So on comparing, na will be equal to nd. If NA equal to ND, I can definitely say that D is equal to A. I can definitely say what? D is equal to A. And comparing the constant terms are 2A minus D is equal to 100 minus 7A. So 2A minus D is equal to 100 minus 7A. If I take minus D on this hand side, it will be plus D. So 2A is equal to 100 minus 7A plus D. And what is the value of D? The value of D is what? A. So here it will be plus A. So minus 7A plus A can be termed as what? Can be termed as 100 minus 6A equal to 2A. So now I can take 2 common and that 2 will cancel with 2A. So the value of A will be equal to what? 50 minus 3A. The value of A will be equal to what? 50 minus 3 into A, capital letter A. Understood? Now we want to calculate the value of A50. I know the value of AN is what? A plus N minus 1D. So to calculate A50, the formula should be A plus 50 minus 1, which is what? 49D. Now A50 as it is. Now instead of A, I can write 50 minus 3A plus 49 into A, because the value of D is what? A. So A50 will be equal to 50 plus 46A. So the ordered pair is what? D comma A50 will be equal to what? A. Value of D is what? A, comma value of A50 is what? 50 plus 46A. So this is the value of this question, which is what? Ordered pair D comma A50. So the correct option is A, which is what? Capital A comma 50 plus 46A.